And what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another weekend Warbucks. I don't know. We're not going to continue to call it that. Might be something else. I don't know. But either way, we are back with another car detailing video, and we are using some brand new products from a company called Lithium Car Care. They sent me a care package of some of their news products out, and today we're just going to be using a couple of them. The first one we're going to be using is called Lithium Seal and Squeal. Yeah, that's I didn't write the titles of the products, okay? And then the other one we're gonna be called Gloss Sauce. So what I like about the Seal and Squeal is this is a polish slash sealant, and then we're gonna follow up with their Carnauba wax here. Cool thing already off the bat, I love the products because they remind me of like barbecue sauce bottles, and I think that's kind of a genius idea, in all honesty here. So we're going to be testing this out. I'm also going to be trying to do this video in a different way. Instead of me having to explain everything, stop and move the camera, blah, 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 I'm going to try to do this in like voiceover format. I've kind of been playing with this off camera. And we're going to be trying that out today. See how it goes. Let me know what you think about it. But other than that, Seal and Squeal, Gloss Sauce, this is going to be great. Can't wait to test these out. Hopefully they're going to be awesome. Again, look, they aren't even open, so I am literally going to be giving you my real reaction today. Let's get on with it. I just got done washing my car. It did not need clayed at all, and it still looks pretty crappy right now because I don't have any trees out front here. As you can see, there's a lot of sun coming in. And when you're washing a black car in the sun and then you dry it in the sun, a whole lot of things just don't work out for you. So that's going to be a really good test for this stuff to see if it can help make this a little bit better. All right, guys, let's get on with the products and let's do this right now. And we're going to start out right now with a panning of the hood. As you can see, there were still water spots and everything on there from when I got done washing my car. It was sunny that day, as I said previously, and yeah, it was hot, and my truck stood no chance in the sun. Don't ever wash your car in the sun. Don't ever. Anyways, so I opened up the bottle here and I'm smelling it, and it smells absolutely beautiful for wax. I don't know if like that means anything to you guys, but to me it means everything because it just makes that overall process just a little bit more fun and a little bit more pleasing, because sometimes waxing or polishing your car can just be daunting. So you want it to be as fun and rememberable, is that the word I want to use, is possible. Anyways, so right here I'm using a 3-inch pad that I probably should have used a 5-inch, but I need to get used to this pad anyways. So overall, I think it was I think it might have been the wrong pad to choose. I think the red pad's softer than the black finishing pad. Probably should have went with a black pad, but either way, overall, the product did very well. I was really impressed with the Seal and Squeal on this easy application, and you know, it went on super well. And like, I finally got that wonderful swirl mark, not swirl mark, but a polishing pad. You'll see the pattern that I love seeing, and I was pretty happy when I got that using this 3-inch pad. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. That is so beautiful to look at. I don't know why. Maybe it's just a detailer thing, but there's just something so sexy about seeing that pattern in uniform all over the hood. So here I am. I'm just going to be finishing up the rest of this side of the car while using the 3-inch pad. Yeah, it did take me a long time, but again, it was just for my own purpose of learning how to really get used to using a 3-inch pad. Normally I've always used 5-inch pads, but I wanted to get this for you know, these kind of reasons right where I'm at right now, because trying to use a 5-inch pad around you know, these areas can be kind of tricky, scary. I don't know how else I want to put it, but I really feel that having the 3-inch pad makes a huge difference, especially right there, as you saw in the mirror as well. It did take me some time to finish up this side of the car, but after a while, I did get used to it. All right, now here I am finishing up the passenger side of the car. One thing that I'm going to state here coming up is that while using this pad or while using this Steel and Squeal, it had a different feeling to it. It's not like your normal wax. It's not like your normal polish. I don't even know how to explain it. I don't want to say it was like jelly, but it didn't have the same consistency, in my opinion, as regular stuff. But once it was in the pad, after I got to this side of the car, I didn't have to keep refilling the pad at all. And I think that was a really good, thing on this product, because, that's less is more. And also that's definitely saving product in the long run as well. Oh yeah, that pattern's beautiful. All right, so after I got done applying the Seal and Squeal, here I am taking it off. I am using a high quality microfiber towel. I'm not going to say who it is, but it is a very high quality microfiber towel, and this stuff literally just wipes right off. I want to say like my cure time was somewhere around like 25 minutes, 30 minutes, just doing around the entire car with the Seal and Squeal and the 3-inch pad. But my God, it was just unbelievable how easy this product came off. 10 out of 10, 5 stars just for that alone. And again, here I am finishing up with the driver's side of the car. Yep, thumbs up, no doubt, thumbs up. And I could really start to see how well this product was going to be working. Even took out all those water spots that I had before. Remember, those weren't like ingrained in my paint, so this product does not remove like embedded water spots. Just fresh water spots. So keep that in mind as well. But yeah, I started noticing a huge difference in my black paint after I got done putting on the Seal and Squeal. So my first impressions on the Seal and Squeal, like I don't know if you can really tell. Maybe I'll pull the car out afterwards, but I mean you could just see the mirror shine on this. Plus the fact that it was so incredibly easy to take off. Probably one of the easiest that I have ever used product to take off once it's dried. Now it does tell you to let it sit on your car for a couple of minutes, a while. It doesn't give you an exact time. So that's why I just put everything, or started on the hood, worked my whole way around the car, and then that was the cure time. So it took me roughly, because I was also using a 3-inch pad that I wanted to get used to. I'm not usually using such a small pad, but it took me about a half hour to get completely around the car itself. And I can tell you one thing, a little bit of product goes a long way. By the time I kept refilling my pad, it probably say the back, maybe even the middle of the back, I didn't have to refill my pad at all during the rest of the entire other side of this car. So right now, Seal and Squeal, very awesome. Now we're going to move on to the gloss sauce. I'm going to be using a regular 5-inch pad. Probably show you just like the hood and stuff like that, and then we'll just move on and give you the final wrap up on the gloss sauce. Hopefully this is just as fun as the Seal and Squeal was. So let's see how this goes as well. Same deal when going with the gloss sauce right here. The product does not have the same consistency as a regular carnauba wax that you would get from somebody else. Again, I really do not know how to describe it. I mean, I shook the crap out of the bottle, so it wasn't like I mixed it wrong or anything like that, or I didn't, shake it up or whatever. But the consistency, I'm telling you, it's like this. I'm I can say is like it's like this weird jelly. That's all I can say. But again, this went on super easy with the gloss sauce, and there it is. Look at that pattern right there on the hood. Look how beautiful that is. Can we have ASMR car detailing? Is that a thing yet? Because maybe it will become one. I'll just like record myself with the sounds of my garage. ASMR detailing coming your way. Anyways, so back with my high quality microfiber towel. I think I've already done the entire car here. I think I forgot to record a clip, but this stuff came off just as easy as the Squeal and Seal. This gloss sauce, look at that. Look at how easy that is. Just absolutely incredible. The feeling on the paint after both of these were applied, just it doesn't have the same feel as wax. It's just a remarkable feeling, and I can guarantee that the rain is just gonna bead right off of my paint. I am not gonna be afraid of winter now or anything like that. I think that my truck is pretty much great and ready already for winter. The Steel and Squeal is supposed to last, I believe, up to a year. You can also use it on your windshield as well. It's probably going to last you a couple of months tops, obviously. But right now, I think my paint is very well ready for the elements come winter, and you just got to get this product to see what I'm talking about. Absolutely, absolutely incredible. All right, folks, so after a long day in the garage, I'm sweating all over the place. My final thoughts on the Lithium gloss sauce. Take a look. What do you think? I think it looks absolutely fantastic. That's all I can really say. Fantastic products between gloss sauce, the Seal and Squeal, unbelievable. Super easy to take off and super easy to apply. Again, this is another one of those products that didn't say, hey, let it cure for 10, 15, 20 minutes. It's just like, yo, let it cure. Come back to it when you remember. So I did it again. I went around the entire car, just came back, and I let that as my cure time, probably about 15 minutes. And I took my time just because. So overall, again, Lithium, gloss sauce, Seal and Squeal, fantastic products. If you want to take a look at any more of their products, those links are down in the description below. We also have a couple more videos that are going to be coming from them. They sent me a trim serum. I'm probably not going to be using that on this car because I don't have much trim, and the trim that I did use, or do have, I've already used another product on it. I'm not going to mention someone else's product on Lithium's video here. Another thing that they sent me is a leather conditioner along with like a leather balm type thing. I'll be using that on my leather seats. And finally, they sent me a clay lube and a clay bar. Right now, I can't really use it because my paint's pretty much great right now. We'll probably get into that more in the winter. I would say probably December, January-ish would be my guess when that video should come out, because that's when rock salt and all that fun crap will be all over your paint and you need to get it off. So that's going to be it, guys. Again, fantastic products. I love it. I love it a lot, and might be some of my new favorites. So go ahead, check it out. Get all this stuff. Make sure you get it and enjoy it, especially if you have a black car.